Let's learn about internet browsers. Today, we'll learn about the important buttons and icons in an internet browser. These buttons help us move around the internet and find what we're looking for. The Home button. The Home button takes you back to the main page you start from. It's like going back home after exploring outside. The back arrow takes you to the page you were just on, and the forward arrow moves you to the next page if you've gone back. The refresh button reloads the page if something doesn't look right. It's like pressing a reset button to try again. Tabs let you open more than one page at the same time. You can switch between them by clicking on each tab. The bookmark icon saves your favorite pages so you can find them easily later. It's like putting a marker in your favorite book. The three dots open a menu with more options like settings, history, and downloads. It's like opening a toolbox with extra tools. Minimize makes the window smaller so you can see other things. Maximize makes it full screen so you can see everything clearly. And close shuts the window when you're done. The search bar is where you type what you're looking for on the internet. It's like asking a question and getting answers. The URL bar shows the web address of the page you're on. It's like the address of a house telling you exactly where you are. Now you know how to use the browser icons to explore the internet.